Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to set automatic date and time on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. Then from here you have to scroll down to additional setting. On the down you're going to find the additional setting. So you just keep scrolling to additional setting. And here we found it, so you have to click on the additional setting. After that, here you have to click on the date and time. Okay, date and time. Then that one first option, okay, date and time. So here is the use network provided time. It means this is the automatic date and time from the mobile phone which use the network provided time. Okay, so if you want to set on this automatic date and time, you just click on this icon and the automatic date and time will be set on, and this date and time no need to fix, no need to set. Okay, the automatic date and time will be useful. Okay, and if you want to off, you just click on this icon again and the automatic date and time will be set off. Okay, so it will be on the right side how I on the icon. Okay, it will be like this. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.